Hello everybody, this is the aspiring gadgeteer, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of a pretty unique product. So you all might have heard of the AirPods Max, Apple's $500+ over the year noise cancelling headphones. So I ordered replacement earpads for them. They are magnetic and they clip into place, and I ordered them as the earpads in my current headphones were getting a little bit grimy. So this is the box from Apple. Let's unbox it and see how do they look. Okay, obviously as usual my trusty kitchen knife. Apple's boxes are always amazing, the way they package the products to make sure that they do not fall out in transit, even though these really cannot be damaged. These are just fabric. So these are the AirPods Max ear cushions. That is the name. Pop them out and let's keep the box to the side. So this is the AirPods Max cushions. Here's how these look. This is the front of the box. I'm opening them and seeing them for the first time, as you all are. I believe these were around $70. So let's take this off. Let's open this and let's see how they are packaged inside. So you have a pull tab here, and I believe you just have to pull them. Let's see if pulling them works. Oh, it's working. How surprising, right? And that's it. It's just a little bit of a tug and then they come out, and then they'll just get magnetically placed on the AirPods when you want to replace them. And it's pretty straightforward to essentially go ahead and do that, and let me just show it to you. So keeping the box here, now let me get my AirPods. So these are my AirPods, gray in color. Pulling them out. These are my older ear cushions, and to really take them off it's pretty straightforward. That's it, they just pop off. There's R written here, so the replacement one with R. That's it. The other one and the replacement one with L. That's it, and they are replaced. So this was a quick unboxing and demonstration of the AirPods Max ear cushions, which I got from apple.com. Pretty easy to replace. Oops, the box fell down, and well worth it. So if you want to keep one in spare, just order it from apple.com and just keep them just in case whenever you need them. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your valuable feedback, and talk to you all in the next video.